how you doing, guys? My name is Chris Galvin. I'm president of Blueray XL, and I'm here with Frank. What do you want to know?
All right, the Blueray XL. What's this going to do for a pool?
Well, it's selling point. Well, selling point is for the service guys. Service guys, basically, when they use our product, it removes all the organics out of the water, so the chlorine is more available in the water. Also, it's an oxidation catalyst. We're the only product that has silver in the ionizer. The silver works with the minerals to basically be an oxidation catalyst. By using our product, they can reduce up to 50% overall chemical usage across the board, and we guarantee every single unit through the service guys.
Right. It's packaged for different size pools. Like some say, like this one's 11 to 30,000 gallons.
Yeah, that one's 30,000 gallons. That would be the XL Black, and we have another one. It's called XL Blue for 7,500 to 20,000 gallons. And we have all the way down to 400-gallon spas.
All right, do we need to caution people not to put a larger unit than what's needed? Say it's a 15,000 gallon pool and somebody wants to put the 30,000 on there.
15,000 gallon pool, you can put the XL Black if it's a high use pool, because the XL Black range is 11,000 all the way to 30,000. So if you say you have a 15,000 gallon pool where customers use it quite a bit. You say you have a dog, you have a solar, you have a heater, anything like that in the off season or even summer, and it's a high load pool, basically high contamination pool. We recommend the XL Black, the larger one.
Larger and higher use.
Yes. Correct.
Okay, but if somebody does oversize it, they're probably going to run into some issues just because it's too much product for too little pool.
If they oversize it, they won't get. The only issue we ever had, let's say maybe you talk about probably staining, anything like that. Right. The only issue we've ever had was when there's high conditioner in the water, let's say above 100, 130. You know, some guys have it pretty high, but if let's say high conditioner and then you have high copper, let's say old copper products that have been added in the water and the copper had built up. When those two are present, they bond and they make copper cyanurate. I don't know if you've seen
that's
it.
The purple stuff.
Yeah,
right?
I've seen the purple lining in the
tile.
tile.
It's a pretty purple.
It's a pretty purple. Pretty purple, but you still don't want it there. If that ever happens, we always tell service guys a simple solution. You lower the pH 7.2, 7.0, nobody's swimming. Alkalinity, you go to 70 and add any liquid stain out product in the market. About 50% of the required dosage, just add that. It might take a week or two, regular brushing, and everything's going to go back into solution. The issue is the high TDS. High TDS makes there's no space in the water when there's high TDS, high conditioner, and high copper. It makes that basically copper cyanurate. Right. Yeah, so that will solve the issue of the low pH alkalinity and stain out product. That would solve the issue for about 6 months to a year, but that should give you enough time to let the customer know that the water's pretty old. So if the water is above 2,000, 2,100 TDS, then I would recommend telling the customer to prepare to drain maybe in 6 months to a year.
Are you recommending with salt pools also, or?
Yes, it works great with salt pools. With the salt pools, it helps the chlorine, the oxidizer, last longer because it removes the organics out of the water. Also, it prevents the calcification in the salt cell due to the zinc compound that we have in there.
Okay. So, all right, the product itself. Now, similar products, but yours, again, like you said, is the only one that has the silver in it.
It's the only one that has the silver in the ionizer, and that with the minerals, it's an oxidation catalyst.
Okay. So the product, it's once a year, twice a year. How often do you need to add it?
Unit comes with a cylinder and the minerals. That one you added in the start of the season. And then if you do need it after 6 months, then you can add the booster. It's just the minerals, but the cylinder itself lasts for a year. So it helps recharge the minerals for up to a year.
All right, so show me the product. We got a...
Well, the product comes like this. This would be the cylinder, and these are the minerals. The minerals are the ones you add in the pump basket or the skimmer basket. They dissolve in the water, and they basically attract all the organics. And when they pass through here, they regain the ionic charge. They repel the flock. The flock gets stuck in the filter, and then the mineral goes for some more. So it's kind of constantly bringing in organics into the filter.
Okay, the cylinder, it goes in the pump basket?
The cylinder goes in the pump basket or the skimmer basket. We recommend pump basket because we want as much water passing through the cylinder, so there's more reionization of the minerals.
Right, and when you empty your pump basket, don't throw it away.
Don't throw it away. Yes. And if your customer tries to help you out, maybe let them know that the cylinder's in there, because sometimes they're trying to be helpful and they throw it out.
The mineral packet, that gets added twice a year.
That's added twice a year. You might need it
unless it's a winterized pool.
Unless it's a pool where the water gets pretty cold, it's more manageable.
Right.
Let's say in winter there's a pool that's heated, solar, there's high bather load. You might need a booster, so we recommend the booster at that time.
Okay. People are raving about your product. I know a lot of guys in the industry that are using it are loving it.
Yeah.
I really appreciate that it's, you push for the industry. It is available on Amazon, but it's a set price.
Yeah, it's a set price.
There's not guys out there undercutting. The guys can save on their chemical usage, have less problems, better looking pools. Well, and they don't have to worry about being undercut by somebody by $40.
Yes, that's why. Yeah, we don't sell to any online retailers to maintain. We only sell to brick and mortar
You
stores.
sell on Amazon or
just Amazon. That's the one to maintain our retail pricing.
And you're okay with us selling it in retail stores?
Yes.
Retail package at your pricing.
Yeah.
And so I love it. It's a good product. Everything I hear about it's fantastic. Glad to see you again.
Thank you for stopping by, Frank.
All right, take care.